Welcome back to Gadget Match. Wait, no. Hi, welcome to... Satan. Hi, and welcome back to Live at PC, and if you don't know who I am, I'm new. So let's just get straight to the point. My name is Afiq Radli, and today we are unboxing the Wiko View for Lite. Now I'm gonna be completely honest, I've actually never heard of Wiko just until recently. So I'm actually very curious to see what the phone has to offer. I did do a little research about the company though, and found out that Wiko Mobile was actually born in France. And they're like all over the world in 30 countries across Europe, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. So on the Wiko Mobile website, you can find that Wiko has a range of budget-friendly smartphones, which is great if you can't afford something fancy, or maybe you don't even need anything fancy, you know, just as long as it's a good quality phone. So that's what we're going to find out here today. As you can see, the box is already slightly open. That's because we just want to make sure that everything is there, nothing is broken when we receive the phone. So technically this is like an unofficial unboxing, but an unboxing nevertheless. So let's just get to it, okay? And we have our SIM card ejector here, and you have the warranty, the manual, and also it comes with a screen protector. That's very convenient. And now for the phone itself. We're gonna get back to the phone just in a bit, okay? So we're just gonna see what's in the box. So you have your charging brick, not the usual charging brick, which is very interesting to see. You have your headphones here all tangled up, and you also have your USB cable. So that's basically what's in the box. And behind the phone, you will find the standard clear phone case. So now let's get to the phone itself. Alright, so we have the green one. It's very lightweight, it's very light. So this color, according to the website, is called Deep Green. Very comfortable to hold. So now let's turn the phone on. It has a really cute loading screen. It says, "Hi there." So let's start, okay? Apparently it asks if you are a male or a female, just like in Pokemon. So it looks really nice here. The touchscreen responds well, very easy. So this phone has a 6.52-inch screen with HD display. Screen resolution is 720, which is decent enough, considering this is a budget phone. It comes with a Google Assistant button right here on the left side of the phone. So if you're wondering about battery life, this phone has a 4000 mAh battery life. So you can basically have a full day basic use of this phone after full charge. So the phone comes with a dual camera at the back here. The top one here being a 2 megapixel bokeh camera, and bottom will be a 13 megapixel main camera. So we're going to test out the camera more after this. So if you're wondering about the storage for the phone, according to the website here, it has 64GB of storage, and you can expand the storage to 256GB with a micro SD card. And now let's talk about the price. How much does this phone cost? Well, good news for everyone, since this is a budget phone, it costs less than 500 ringgit. It comes at 399 ringgit. And honestly, you know, hands-on, I feel like this is a really good phone for its price. It has a good size, good weight, good grip, good HD display, good storage, decent quality camera if you're not much of a photographer, which is, you know, I feel like this is a good phone for you. So far, good speed, it responds well to touch. So if you're looking for a good quality phone that gets the job done and is also very budget friendly, then I feel like this is the phone for you. So that is it for the unboxing and hands-on review of the Wiko View for Lite. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow us on our social media at liveatpc.com, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for the latest tech news, as well as more reviews in the future. So we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!